What if you woke up in 2030 and every job was already taken by bots? Your doctor? Bot. Your lawyer? Bot. Your boss? A cold, calculating machine. Sounds insane? It's already happening. In 2026, companies are replacing entire teams with AI agents. Amazon already uses thousands of AI agents managing their warehouses. JP Morgan replaced 360 lawyers with AI. They just tell the AI what to do. Spotify's best engineers haven't written a single line of code since December. They just tell the AI what to do. No coffee breaks, no sick days, no Instagram. Just silent, efficient, merciless work. By 2030, AI will handle customer service, coding, designing, even managing other bots. Bots managing bots. AI doing every job by 2030. It's not a what-if anymore. Are you ready? Welcome to Bot Takeover. Subscribe before the bots replace you too.